something greater.
Huh? What'd you say?
I was gonna give you a really good build for him if you didn't have one, but I forgot I can't see him because I'm not playing yet.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good.
They're going to regret getting close to
Let's
me.
get it, boys.
Yeah,
Everybody, do your best.
You're playing Lash. There's no way we lose. We have Lash in our team.
Thank you. Wait for me to fuck up.
Nah, you're playing Lash. You got this, bro.
I'm going to take my time.
God damn it, they know how to parry.
Oh no.
Get away.
Back up, Mina, back up. When you get money, buy healing right, Mina.
Wait for me. I can get him out.
We're dead.
I got the drifter!
This is a great start game.
I'm going to kill them all.
Today, you're making history.
I see you, Victor.
Billy, I'm buying something, and I gotta go home to heal real quick. Give me a sec.
Want your blood.
Nice.
Careful, Billy, I'm coming back.
Oh, that's for the collection. I'll make it quick. I got the drifter! I love the anticipation.
If you like that, I got some other stuff that fell off the truck.
Come back, Billy. I'm gonna wait for them to push, then I'll ult them into our tower.
He has a ult. Back up, back up.
They've taken our blue guardian.
So close.
Our blue walker is under attack.
I have ult now. He's low.
You can't catch me!
I won't lie. I don't know what that does.
see
but my
Victor.
kisses, all the mystics are fine.
Manhattan is my feeding ground. Mom would say I'm lowering myself to their level, but whatever, keep up here.
Yo, I'm healing.
Okay. I got her.
Good shit.
Victor can just fucking heal, bro.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, he's kind of broken right now.
We took out the drifter!
Ridiculous.
Good luck not getting shot. Try to keep up.
Like, that character can literally just run under, like, walkers and shit.
They've destroyed the Guardian on green.
Help, please. Please help. Oh no.
Your pitiful life! Die, please.
Your valor is rewarded.
I'll take their blood. You don't have a chance.
Bro, Mina, you gonna help me?
You wanna play?
Our blue I see Victor. Attack.
Let's go back home and heal.
Mid-boss has arrived.
Yo, my furnace is here.
Coming back.
This bitch missing green.
I want your blood.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
New York is
They're
mine.
both here now.
Calico missing? Oh, she's doing her
She's
urn.
getting earned, yeah.
My bad.
Do you guys think you're gonna be able to stop that or not?
I'm all the way over here. I can't do shit
Maybe.
about it.
It's okay. This early is fine.
A little protection goes a long way.
Too late for that, bro.
Nice.
Our blue walker is under attack.
Yo, Calico is in our base. It's crazy. Or near it, at least.
Disgusting.
She might be trying to backdoor us, Lash. Watch out.
The enemy could be anywhere.
Okay. Keeping an eye on the map. I don't see her anywhere.
Your spirit will be forged into a weapon. Our blue walker is under attack. I see Victor.
Can you just die, please? This is where you die.
The hunt begins.
They have no idea what's in store for them.
Your enemies will curse your name.
Going back to green. Oh no, this character is fucking retarded.
Yo, where did Furnace go?
Good question. Furnace missing.
What, Victor? Yeah, he's actually nuts.
Careful.
This character is fucking disgusting. Like, Drifter's broken, but like, you need to get items. This character is just like, the way he is made.
Yeah, I think they nerfed him like 4 times right after he dropped. It's crazy. And he's still busted.
Take my time with them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think so.
Our blue walker is under attack.
They were in line when you said you can't kill him. It's nuts.
Get away.
They destroyed our blue walker.
We can get Guardian here.
Calculus on mid.
He's one shot.
I'm with you.
The spirit urges.
I want to go by real quick. Same.
You started this fight. I'm just ending it.
I got my ult ready, so if they push, I can.
I'm gonna come
okay,
yellow for
hold
you
up.
guys.
Oh yeah, we got 3 on us. We might need that.
Here.
Oh fuck, that's crazy.
Damn.
God.
They've destroyed the Guardian on yellow.
That's actually so sad. They're jumping like crazy right now.
Our yellow walker is under attack. Them and grow strong.
I can go deal with Victor on green.
I'll go too.
You have no idea what I'm capable of. Let's go for a ride. Die, please.
Victor's you can't deal with that character.
Bro, he does so much damage. What the fuck?
Nothing
Yeah,
you can
that's
do.
crazy. He is way too strong. What happened?
I think he just bought a shit ton of spirit.
No, basically we fed him.
It's alright, it happens.
It happens.
I think we just need a shit ton of anti-spirit here to deal with them. And like half of everybody else on their team.
Our yellow walker is under attack.
I'm gonna. Ooh.
Do we want to stop Earn?
Yeah.
Not much we can do, really. Don't die
here,
for
I'm
it.
here. I won't die, but I'll definitely try to stop them. It's just the Infernus. The rest of the team isn't pushed up. Never mind.
Protect the stronghold.
I'd give up if I were you.
Got his ass.
Going in furnace.
He's getting it, fuck.
The right item can tip the scales. Great. So satisfying.
Going in furnace.
We only have one shrine left.
Well, they're just taking our green side.
Oh, fuck.
Man, this Victor's just literally winning them the game.
Attack.
No, on God, he's going crazy. That's fucked up.
To stop them from progressing further.
I'll make that quick.
I got one of those for the missus. Big fan.
Stop them from completing the ritual.
I see someone. I'm sure it's from the master.
let's get mid, boss.
7 ult. Careful, Billy.
They will return, and we must be ready.
They took out Ivy!
Bro, that character's so stupid. And I bet he still has his all right now.
Oh, we got a lever.
Yep.
Hold on, let him get to the middle and I'll throw him in our base.
Take him down!
Protect the stronghold.
I'm glad those two losers weren't on my team.
He has no ult. Victor has no ult.
Stay safe out there.
Ooh, 7-0 hurty.
You have a good eye.
You gotta be shitting me, bro. He was so low.
Protect the stronghold.
This is some actual bullshit. He's literally the only reason they're winning so bad right now. The rest of these guys are fucking cheeks.
They took out Abram!
Hey, we weren't doing too bad in our lane.
Don't you get it?
You know,
GG's, guys.
GG, bro.
GG's, cheers.